guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X1, super helpful video today guys. Many of you asked us in the comment section below, can you drive with a bad knock sensor guys, and what will happen if you do not replace the knock sensor? Stay with us and we'll explain everything from start to finish today guys, and how that can result into thousands of dollars for repair. So make sure you stay until the end. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys. On BMWs we make sometimes close to 400 or 500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, it doesn't matter guys, okay, what engine you have. 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, gasoline, diesel engine, procedure is practically the same guys, and the outcome will be the same if you do not replace your knock sensors. Now, if you need to buy new knock sensors, replacement parts or tools for your BMW, check out the links, we'll share them for your convenience in the description of the video below. Specifically, this is N52 engine. This is a straight inline 6-cylinder engine guys, and you either have 4 6-cylinder gasoline or diesel engine. Facing the engine, okay, you have that intake manifold, usually will be right here. You will need to remove it. We have a video how to do that and how to replace the knock sensors if you want to check it out. But a few advices that I'm going to give you, 3 common mistakes. Now, replace the intake gaskets when you remove the intake manifold. Mistake number 2, okay, people don't disconnect the car battery. You have to disconnect the car battery because you will have the starter wires coming from the car battery and the alternator here, and if you touch it to a ground, you can short things out, you can see sparks, you can guys cause quite a bit of damage, so that's bad. You can guys burn the engine computers, you can catch even your car on fire, so that could be really costly guys. Number 2, people do not know guys that it really matters on modern vehicles which battery terminal to disconnect first, positive or negative. We have a video that explains all that and we'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please guys check it out. With all that being said now guys, okay, all that being said, we can continue with the knock sensors. They are very important for the normal operation of your engine, simply because they will detect if early explosions are happening in the engine, and as a result it will tell the car computer, okay, we need to adjust the ignition timing so everything happens when it should. Otherwise, that earlier guys, that earlier knocking, okay, explosion will guys, if you keep driving the car for a long time, will cause damage to valves. It can burn valves. It will guys, you can break piston rings. You can actually guys have problems with catalytic converters because the car will be running hotter. You can have problems with oxygen sensors due to the same reason, and spark plugs, okay, failing spark plugs or broken spark plugs as well guys. So if you do not replace them when you have a problem, that can result into thousands of dollars for repair. Okay, you may need new engine or your engine rebuilt. So if you get to that point, replace it guys. So now, they're not expensive, both of them will need to be replaced at the same time because they come to one connector, this connector right here, but once you do that, it's all ready to go. So, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.